coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, today's temperatures are about as good as it's going to get this week. 60 degrees in Huntsville at this hour, 62 in Fort Payne, 63 in Decatur. We're looking at a cooling trend for the rest of this week, so it may not seem perfect outside, but again, today is about as good as it gets. We have a lot of cold air looming to our north and west. It's 45 in Nashville. Memphis is at 33 right now, so nearly a 30-degree difference between Huntsville and Memphis right now. And you get up to Missouri, temperatures down to the teens at this hour in St. Louis and over to Springfield. Big time front has set up across the region today, and that is going to set the stage for a big weather maker over the next several days. Here's what we have going on. Arctic air in place at the surface across much of the central U.S. today, thanks to that high pressure in place. That's going to skirt to the south. It's going to interact with Gulf of Mexico moisture, and that's going to basically be the perfect setup for an ice storm, thankfully, to our north. Now, we're going to see a ton of ice stretching from Texas through Arkansas, much of Tennessee and Kentucky, several nights, starting tonight, continuing through Tuesday night, maybe a little bit lingering into Wednesday night as well. So big-time travel headaches for that part of the country. Here locally in North Alabama, we will not see many issues from that, but we have winter storm warnings in the pink, ice storm warning for Memphis. Nashville's under a winter weather advisory tonight. For our area specifically, Wayne and Lawrence counties in Tennessee are under winter weather advisories tonight from 9 p.m. through 9 a.m. on Tuesday morning for the potential of, at least briefly, some freezing rain. I'm not expecting major issues, but it's not out of the question that some of the roads in Lawrenceburg are a little icy when you head out the door on Tuesday morning. Let's get the latest look at Storm Tracker future radar for the next couple of days to start with. And after a mainly dry night tonight, showers will move in late, especially in Tennessee, but we'll get some scattered activity in North Alabama as well. Whatever falls tonight through early on Tuesday, not going to be all that heavy, and any threat for rain likely ends by 9 a.m. on Tuesday. So we're looking at a dry break from really mid-morning Tuesday through mid-afternoon Tuesday. It'll be late in the afternoon through Tuesday night that we get our next wave of moisture. It's going to be a little bit colder at that time. So while, again, most of us are just looking at rain, that freezing line's dipping a little bit farther south. The pink is a little farther south as a result, and a slightly better chance at least some icing near the Alabama-Tennessee state line will be in play on Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Chances are that won't be an issue in Huntsville or areas southward, but that's something we'll be keeping a very close eye on. We get another dry break on Wednesday midday before more rain is coming after that. Best chance at icing is going to be in southern Tennessee. Again, maybe some light icing on elevated surfaces in far north Alabama. For most of us locally, it's not going to be an issue, though. We're looking at potential both tonight and Tuesday night. Far more likely in Tennessee than it is in Alabama, and the icing primarily will be on elevated surfaces more so than the roads themselves. Let's move into Wednesday night. This is when the heaviest of the rain is going to fall this week from Wednesday night into Thursday. Widespread rain expected for basically that entire time frame, and that's when we're going to get the bulk of the rain to collect in the rain gauge. When it's said and done, most of us get at least an additional inch of rain. A couple spots might get upwards of 2 inches of rain between now and Thursday afternoon. Your 7-day forecast showing highs in the 40s the next few days. We'll finally get sunshine on Friday through this weekend. Looking better by the weekend with highs in the mid-50s.